Oi! Got another one! That's... One more time! One more time! Welcome to the Dragon Boat Festival in Guangzhou. Now, Guangzhou is famous for seriously competitive dragon boat racing. But that's not what I'm showing you today. I came to Shipai Village. And here it's something different and honestly more fascinating. Instead of a race, each village brings out its dragon boat as a display, a show of pride, of power, of who they are as a community. And the firecrackers are non-stop. They keep lighting them while they're rowing, like they've got unlimited ammo stashed instead of the boat. They even throw them toward the crowd. I caught two myself. And here is something most people don't know. A lot of these villagers are generally wealthy. And every year for the festival, they donate money back to their local community to make all of this happen. That's something I find really striking, because here in the South, people are incredibly united around community events like this. Where I'm from in the North, we don't really organize this kind of thing for the whole village. But down here in southern China, this deep community spirit is truly fascinating. It's also the only time all year you will see firecrackers in Guangzhou. They're banned every other day. But on Dragon Boat Festival, the city lets the tradition roar back. Now they're throwing firecrackers at us. Here, 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 here. Ah, shit. Yeah, we got one. We got one. Oi, got another one. That's... Oh, they're gonna do the firecrackers again. Wow, look at this one. Look at how big this one is. Wow, 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 wow. Look at how big it was. Hold on, let me go to the other side of it. Let me go to the other side. There's no way out. I'm deaf. I'm deaf. I can't hear anything. The racers are boarding. So different villages, they have different racers and they're competing competitively with each other. Oh, they're throwing firecrackers again. Those are the racers. See anything here. I don't think I should even talk now.
reception center for the event. If you're a race, what the fuck? If you're a racer, you can get water and food here. This is too much. I'm deaf. I can't hear anything. 你好，请问一下，这个是不可以放的是吧？还是只能在里面放？
外面就不给放啦。
外面都不给放。
爬船的时候才放的吗？
没有，他们丢上来的。拿走，拿走，你也要放呀。
找个空地放。
找个空地放。OK， 谢谢。So that security guard was saying that you can only do firecrackers within the dragon boat race area. Since we're outside, we're not allowed to do it anymore. But he was saying like, if you do it secretly, it shouldn't be a problem. Just like do it somewhere, like nearby, quickly. It should be fine because it's not a big one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get a lighter. I will do my firecrackers this year. The last time I did it was probably a long time ago. I'm not sure if I have the balls to do firecrackers now, but let's see. 你好，麻烦拿一个打火机。
要哪一个？
最便宜的就可以了。好，来。
2块钱。
谢谢。We got the thing. Woohoo! We have everything now. Let's go, let's go. We have the firecrackers, we have the lighter. Let's go. Different villages in Guangzhou, they have their own different dragon boat events. So this is for Shipai Village. After the race, all the participants, they will just come here to eat food here. You can see they have name tags here. Like 20, more than 20 tables here. They won't eat anything that is super fancy. It's just like a very casual, homemade meal. They blocked the entire street for the Dragon Boat event. So you can only do firecrackers inside. That was close. Oh god. Oh god, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Ah! Yes! Well, we tried. I personally think that Guangzhou people, they treat the Dragon Boat Festival more seriously than Chinese New Year. There are more events and people are crazier on this day. One might argue that, oh yeah, you know, it's bad for the environment. Come on, it's just like a special occasion once per year. Let them have fun. It's okay. They will clean up later. So for the Dragon Boat Festival, we have a tradition of eating rice dumplings. So it's different from the dumplings that you probably know. Rice dumplings, they look like this. In Chinese, we call them zongzi. And dumplings, we call them jiaozi. They look like this. So they're different. We eat rice dumplings or zongzi during Dragon Boat Festival. So depending on which city you're from, which location, which region, you might eat savory rice dumplings or sweet rice dumplings. In my hometown Nanjing, we eat sweet rice dumplings, so with fillings like red dates or red bean paste. But in Guangzhou, they do a lot of savory fillings, like egg yolk, savory meat. I'm not a big fan of savory rice dumplings. I will show you rice dumplings later today. And in China, our Starbucks also serve rice dumplings, but more like as a snack. It's like a snack with sweet fillings inside. I think you need to pre-order it. It's pretty popular every Dragon Boat festival. So I will show you the Starbucks version of rice dumplings as well in a bit. It's over there, there's a Starbucks. So inside of Starbucks, they also serve dumplings here with different flavor. It's rose and hawthorn, taro and matcha, green beans and rice wine, and also coconut flavor. You need to pre-order it online. Rice dumplings here. 老板有粽子吗？
是甜粽子嘞，里面是杜莎的。
哎，我就是吃甜粽子的。
哦，那行，我
好嘞
也吃那个，行，3块5一个。
3块5，好嘞，拿一个。
拆不拆呀？
不用拆。
哦，好，那您自己拆了啊。
好嘞。They only have sweet rice dumplings here, which is perfect because I don't really want to eat anything that is savory. 3块5是吧？
哎，3块5。
50 cents. Woohoo!
支付宝到账
谢谢
3.5元。
拿好啊。好嘞。
Let's go find a place to sit down and eat the rice dumplings. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I don't need to eat something that is savory. I was just eating this shopping mall. It's not. Is it a shopping mall or is it like a food court? So let me show you how it looks like. Looks like this. It's wrapped in banana leaves. Woo, hot, hot, hot. It's made with sticky rice, so you steam it. Oh, 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 oh. There you go. You don't eat the leaves, you eat the sticky rice. Ah, very filling. There's a red bean paste inside, just like my childhood. Some people may argue that the savory ones are better. Nah, this is the best. This is the best. So good. Wow. So you're probably wondering why people eat rice dumplings during the Dragon Boat Festival. The tradition started around 2,000 years ago, probably more than 2,000 years ago. There used to be a very famous minister called Qu Yuan. He works for a specific kingdom. At that time, China was not united, so there were different kingdoms. He was working for a specific kingdom. He was so loved by the people there, but because the king of that kingdom was not capable of doing what he wanted for its people, Qu Yuan decided to unalive himself by jumping the river. But because like the citizens really love him, what they did was they rowed boats to get his body back. And in order to not let fish eat his body, they would throw rice dumplings inside of the river just to make sure that his body will remain intact. So that's where the tradition is from. So you basically eat what fish was eating back then. Good stuff. I'm not sure how legit that story is, but that's what we were told when we were young. So Dragon Boat racing and eating rice dumplings are the two main things. And since it's a public holiday, most people will just go home and reunite with their family. I'm living in a different city, so usually I don't go home during this special holiday. But at least today I get to show you guys the traditions of the Dragon Boat Festival. So make sure that you click on the subscribe button under this video to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time.